Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's class we're going to be discussing the muscle tissue, but more specifically the special adaptation. Now in one of our classes we already said that muscle tissue, they are specialized for contraction, right? And they contain contractile proteins called the actin and myosin that allows the muscle fiber to shorten and also to generate force. Now, muscle tissue is responsible for body movements. It's also responsible for maintaining posture, for producing heat, for moving substances through all organs. And we said that there are three types of muscle tissues, and each of them, they have their unique adaptation that are suited to perform their specific function. So the first one we're talking about here is the skeletal muscle. Now, here is the diagram of the skeletal muscle, and this consists of long. You can see that they are long cylindrical fibers that are striated. These are the striations. They are long cylindrical fibers that are striated and contains many nuclei. These are the nucleus, contain many nuclei. And these striations are produced by an orderly arrangement of the actin and myosin filaments that we said earlier. And the function of this is that allows for rapid and powerful contraction. Now, these muscles are attached to bones and they are under voluntary control, and they enable us to perform activities such as walking, lifting objects, and also writing. Now, having discussed that, let's go to the next muscle, which is the cardiac muscle. Now, if you recall in our last class, we said that cardiac muscle is found only in the heart and that its fibers are branched and they are connected by a specialized junction called intercalated disc. Now, this intercalated disc, right, they contain gap junction and desmosomes, they call it desmosomes, and gap junctions allow electrical impulse to pass rapidly from one cell to the other, while desmosomes allow neighboring cells form together during this contraction process. Now, these adaptations ensure that the heart contracts as a coordinated unit, allowing efficient pumping of blood. So that means it makes sure that this whole process is very orderly and they are not done in a very disordered manner. So let's go to the next muscle tissue, which is the smooth muscle. Now, the smooth muscle is made up of spindle-shaped cells. You can see them. They're spindle-shaped here. Spindle-shaped. This is spindle, made up of spindle-shaped cells that lack visible striations. So that means, unlike this, you can't find striations, right? And it contracts more slowly than skeletal muscle, but they can maintain contraction for a longer period of time without getting fatigued. Now, if you notice, in our former class, we said that these contract very fast but get fatigued easily. So unlike this, smooth muscles, right, they can maintain contraction for a longer period without becoming fatigued. And this makes smooth muscle ideal for organs such as the intestine, the blood vessels, the urinary bladder, the uterus, and all other organs where constant and prolonged contraction where they are needed. So with this, I hope that you understand the muscle tissues and their special adaptive features. And please, if you are to subscribe to this channel, please do so. And if you have any question, do well to drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much.